Welcome back. Despite growing economic worries, many homeowners are wondering if there's an opportunity out there to take advantage of historic low interest rates and refinancing. At the end of April, the Mortgage Bankers Association said almost 72% of total applications were from people looking to refi. And there are some changes that you should know about if you're thinking about doing that. Our 9 News real estate expert, Lane Lyon, joins us once again on Skype. He is a licensed realtor and managing broker with Coldwell Banker. Hello, friend.
Hey, good morning to you, Gary. Thanks for having me on.
Impact is COVID-19 having?
Well, the truth is, Gary, that it's having a direct impact on keeping mortgage rates low, which is the good news. A-plus borrowers are seeing between 3 and 4% when they're going to refinance, some even on the lower side of that 3%, which is really good news. Here's the change, though. A lot of lenders are tightening up their guidelines and putting you through a few extra hoops because of problems related to coronavirus. Here's 3 things you should know. First of all, mortgage lenders I've talked to say start with a mortgage review. Talk to a mortgage professional and find out exactly where your loan is at and what refinancing options are available for you. Then ask yourself, does that really make sense for me? What are you trying to accomplish? Is it to lower that monthly payment? Are you trying to take years off your loan, maybe pull some cash out? Each scenario is going to be different for people. Saving $80 a month might make sense for someone, where someone else says it's going to have to be $300 or $400 a month in savings before it's worth it for me. Then find a trusted advisor to work with. Get multiple opinions. Ask someone you trust for referrals for a lender, like your realtor, for example. We have a lot of great ideas. And remember, if you go online, there are resources out there, but make sure the information you're seeing is up to date and accurate.
And are these changes happening both for refinancing and new mortgages?
They really are. Whether you're looking to purchase or to refinance, the interest rates and the mortgage rates are looking really, really favorable for people. But you have to know that many lenders are taking very conservative approaches with these loans. They may be asking for higher credit scores. They might want more equity in your home if you're looking to refinance. And both for refi and for purchase, they're going to be doing more thorough employment verifications before you close on that loan. So that means, Gary, if you have had a reduction in pay, if you've had a reduction in hours, that could be a stumbling block when it comes to purchasing or refinancing. But I have to say, even with all of these arduous tasks out there, it still might make financial sense even now. That's because the Federal Reserve has stepped in to stabilize the economy. Interest rates are expected to stay low. I mean, they fluctuate day to day, hour to hour. And one mortgage broker, I said, there's no magic number anymore to know when it's time to refinance. In about 2018, we saw rates closer to 5%, which was pretty decent compared to the 80s, Gary, but a lot different compared to now. So it might be worth just asking the questions.
Oh, yes. I bought my first house in the 80s. I remember it well.
You remember.
Lane Lyon, thank you very much. Good to see you.
Absolutely.